Boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here,
And Lily.
Lily's here, and she is going to help us with our science experiment today. So what is our science experiment called? Do you remember?
Fireworks in a glass.
Fireworks in a glass. So we are going to make fireworks in a glass. How are we going to make fireworks in a glass? First, we need a glass with, what is inside of this?
Water.
We need a glass with water. Then we have a clear container. We have
food
coloring, and we have our vegetable oil. So make sure your glass you are using with your water is clear so you can see what is going to happen. So first we're going to get our clear little container, and we are going to pour some vegetable oil on the side of it. If I can open it. So we're going to pour some of our vegetable oil in it. So oil and water does not mix. So what will happen is our oil will float to the top. But what does that mean? What are we going to put in our oil, Lily?
Food coloring.
We're going to put food coloring in our
not
oil.
that.
Which one do you want to do first?
I want to do the purple.
Purple, okay. Put some drops of purple in there. Okay, so she put 5 drops of purple. What color next? Blue. Put some drops of purple in there.
You said purple.
Blue. Okay, so we got a couple big drops of blue in there. What's next? Pink. Okay,
and then green.
Okay. Well, you can put more in that if you want to. We got a lot of pink, and then our last one is green. You have to use liquid food coloring, not gel. Oh, put it in there. Yep. Can you put more? Okay. So we have our food coloring in there. Then we have a little stir. You can use a spoon. We are going to stir around our food coloring and our oil. And our food coloring does not mix in with the oil. It stays all separate in there. Do you guys see how it's kind of separate little beads in there? Not really, but it's all separate and beady. So now
we're going to get the glass and put it in there.
So we are going to put our oil in our water. Let's see what's going to happen. So our oil floats to the top, and then what's going to happen is, hold on, leave it there so you can see. The oil is going to the top. See how all the oil's at the top and the food coloring's in there? And what will happen is slowly the food coloring is coming down into the water.
And what's going to happen?
Well, it's supposed to burst. Oh, there it goes. See the little swivel? So it's starting to come. The gravity is pulling the food coloring. Oh, there it goes. Do you see it, Lily?
That's fine.
Oh, look at that. The food coloring is coming down into the water because the food coloring dissolves in the water.
It looks like jellyfish.
It kind of does look like jellyfish. It's supposed to look like fireworks popping. So,
but they're not popping.
Yeah, well, that's okay. But all of the food coloring is coming down with gravity is pulling it down. Whoa, look at that one. Gravity is pulling that food coloring down into the water, and then the food coloring is dissolving into the water and making those cool designs and streaks. Yeah. You see, there's still some of the food coloring is floating on the top in the oil, but then the gravity is pulling that coloring down, and then it's coming into our glass. So the oil is still on top. You see this layer of oil? And then the food coloring is going into our cold water and making cool designs. Here, why don't you move over, Lily, so they can see all the way through it. You guys see? You can get closer. I just didn't want you right behind the glass. Isn't that pretty cool? So we made fireworks in a glass, and Lily thinks they look like jellyfish. Here, move over so they can see. So you guys can do this at home. You just need water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and a stirrer and a clear glass. So I hope you guys like that, and I think it turned out pretty cool. It all mixed up now, so it kind of looks like kind of dark, but that was pretty neat to see how gravity works to pull that in, and then how it dissolved in the water, but the food coloring didn't dissolve in the oil. So I hope you guys like that, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.